Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope that everyone is well, and to my viewers, followers, and for those who did not subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Juliana White, and let's talk with Ate Juliana. So today's episode is we're going to treat Nanay in a beauty shop. Pagandahin natin para maraming fans. No, as I just need to how really happy I am for Nanay, because Nanay is the one who helped me after my surgery, taking care of me, helped me take a shower because I can't really move my right arm. So Nanay Eva is the one who helped me a lot. So this time I'm just gonna give her thank you in return. So we're going to beauty shop, and here she is. Hello, Nay. This is Nanay Eva. So she is the mom of my friend Marty. So they live here. We're neighbor here in a small town of southern part of Missouri, Farmington. So today they're ready to go to a beauty shop. So, well, I have some issues in my car right now. So, try. Bakit ito? Try again. Oh. Ano na to eh. Parang gusto mong palitan.
Mas ano pa ito kasi pambira ko ano ganito sasakyan.
Ano to na eh?
Ito ang
mga lumang sasakyan. Tipid-tipid, alam mo naman. So now we're driving, going to popular here, the salon, the small town here in Farmington. This salon is really not expensive, it's affordable. So I'm gonna treat Nanay. So I'm gonna make her beautiful today. I miss my mother, so yun na lang, pang ano lang, yung hindi naman pang ano lang, I mean yung sa sobrang miss. Hindi, takot sumakay ng ano,
hindi
ng aeroplano.
Kagaya niya si muso niya, nanay niya,
Sino? Mahirap kasi dito dalhin ko yun eh, kasi matanda na ano na, pero mas matanda pa sa'yo. Ang kaso sa kanya kasi may health issues pa. Dito rin siya, wala siyang ano,
may maintenance.
dito wala siyang libangan, kaya alam mo naman dito lahat ng tao nagtrabaho. So sana may apoy, yung mga katulong. At saka pag winter, talagang nakaano sa bahay. Kaya,
So, ayaw niya anong may winter dito.
may sanay.
Sanay kami sa init.
Sanay kami sa init sa Pinas. Ala, grabe ang pila doon. Oh. My God.
Mainit talaga doon sa Pinas. Pag ngayon, ulan.
Umuulan na naman sa atin.
damit.
Palit. Mainit talaga doon, no?
Sobra. Basta pawis ka ng pawis. Pagka ano mo ng damit mo, pawis na naman.
Mhm.
Kaya damit mo
Dito, bawal magkasakit.
mga magkasakit.
Kaya alagaan ang sarili. At saka, take vitamins.
Mahirap magkasakit. Hindi ko sa Pinas, punta ka lang sa center.
Oo. Dito, check up.
Never akong pumunta sa doktor, no.
Kaya ngayon, alagaan ang sarili. Para,
Yan ang bilib ng amo ko sa akin nung nagtrabaho ako sa Middle East. Sabi niya, iba, hindi ka pumupunta sa doktor. Kami palagi. Oo, palagi sila. Ako na, never akong pumunta sa doktor. Kung minsan, magdahilan na ako para matulog din ako. Parang,
I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where you wanna take me. I'm losing my sanity. You're taking me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go.
So,
Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave it.
so, dito na po kami. See you later.
see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nay, meron na yun siya, Nay. Meron na sa notes. Yung dati, gaya ng dati. Ayan, meron na doon sa kanya notes.
I wanna be your fun girl tonight. I'll take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch. Give me your love. Give it some more. I'm losing my sanity. You take me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Hi everyone! Welcome back! So, ito na yung natin, magandang dalaga. Ganda ng gupit. Wow!
Hi,
Ganda
thank
na.
you for Juliana.
Ganda,
Sa
ganda.
pinagupitan ako.
Okay lang, wala yan.
Yeah.
Maliit lang yan. Sa tulong mo sa akin. Sige, let's go back na sa apartment. Baka hinihintay na tayo doon ng mga chikiting. Sige. Alright, see you.
Yeah, see you
Have
again.
safe everyone. And God bless us all. Bye-bye.